Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the best paint brush cleaners in 2024. Top 5 available on Amazon. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a new video. Number 1. CUGEBANA Stainless Steel Brush Cleaner. Discover the CUGEBANA Paint Brush Washer, a stainless steel cleaner perfect for oil and acrylic painting. Featuring a seal lid to prevent leaks, a wringer for efficient cleaning, and stainless steel cleaning beads to protect brushes, this washer extends brush lifespan. Portable and versatile, it works with various solvents for studio or outdoor use. Each package includes one CUGEBANA paint brush washer, cleaning beads, and an instruction manual. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. FLUMY Paint Brush Cleaner. Introducing FLUMY Paint Brush Cleaner Rinse Cup for acrylic, oil, and watercolor artists. This gray cup boasts dual clean zones, a water scraper, and a brush holder for 12 brushes. Its flexible silicone design allows easy cleaning and dishwasher use. With a soft rubber pad for gentle cleaning and stable suction cups, FLUMY ensures a tidy workspace. Elevate your painting routine with FLUMY's efficiency and convenience, perfect for artists of all levels. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. NIUCOO Paint Brush Cleaner. Introducing NIUCOO's 2024 Upgraded Paint Brush Cleaner Brush Rinser, a multifunctional painting station enhancing your artistry. This compact tool, doubling as a palette and brush holder, features a 250 ml clean water bottle and a 500 ml wastewater reservoir for spill prevention. With an innovative water recycling system, it ensures efficient cleaning, suitable for various paints. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, NIUCOO requires no assembly and is a perfect gift for artists, promoting sustainability with minimal water consumption and user-friendly design for artistic endeavors. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Paint Puck Paint Brush Cleaner. Discover the Paint Puck Paint Brush Cleaner Rinse Cup, a versatile tool designed for classrooms, studios, and home use. This blue cup is ideal for acrylic, watercolor, and water-based paints. Featuring a built-in brush holder with a flexible silicone lid, it keeps brushes organized and surfaces protected. The silicone bristle cleaner ensures gentle paint removal without damaging bristles. With a wide base to catch excess water and paint, this cup keeps your workspace tidy. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, this brush cleaner simplifies your painting process. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. US Art Supply Multifunction Paint Brush Washer. Experience the premium US Art Supply 16-hole multifunction paint brush washer, cleaner, and holder, a must-have for professional artists. This versatile basin features a 16 brush holder, 18 palette wells, a lid, and 3 cleaning basins. Its graduated holes accommodate brush storage and drying, while the removable layer organizes paint colors. With compartments for soaking, scrubbing, and rinsing brushes, including a ribbed scrubbing section, this basin caters to acrylic, watercolor, and oil paints. Keep your brushes pristine, organized, and ready for action, backed by a satisfaction guarantee offering a refund or replacement within the first year of purchase. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.